Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this logo. I didn't even try to trace it. It can't be traced. And they asked how to draw it. I'm not going to worry about this right now. And the hardest part about this particular logo is the picture they sent me isn't square or isn't equal. So the dots aren't in the middle. But I used the nudge factor and tried to get it to close to the middle as I can. I think I can actually go up a little bit more. And that doesn't really change. So we need a circle that size. You could do a number of things, but it's just as easy just to start drawing. And maybe let's zoom in. The picture's so pixelated that it's kind of hard to tell. Holding down the shift key so it'll grow from the outside. And I'm going to call that pretty good. And for the person I'm doing it for, if you want to do a little better than that, you can, I'll tell you what, let's move it in just a little bit. Anyway, Control D to make a duplicate of it. I've got indexing lines, so we're going to put it in the center. Double check your center. Rotate it 90 degrees. Control D, rotate it 180 degrees. Control D. Now we need a circle the size of the big circle. And regardless, my drawing will be basically perfect because I'm doing it not off the picture kind of. Anyway, then we can get rid of the picture. And I like nudging, so let's see how big the picture is. It's 18 inches. So let's go with 19 inches and nudge this picture out of the way. Now you've got circles and all you need is those colors, and they already told me that they're going to print this for a t-shirt. So just take the Smart Fill tool, go up here to your color, get your eyedropper tool, and get that color, and then fill in those 4 colors. Then get your eyedropper tool again, grab a sample of that color, and fill it in the other 4 spots. And then just take away, I'm going to right click, take away the outline. It's hard to tell the colors because this is so pixelized, but I believe that'll be dead on for a t-shirt. I'm kind of curious why this line isn't equal in the center, but I'm not, that's easily drawn. And I think this is all they're asking me for. So I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.